Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're currently thinking about upgrading your outdoor gear with some powerful, reliable, and crystal clear optics for birdwatching, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best binoculars for your birdwatching journey, chosen for their exceptional clarity, rugged durability, ease of use, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all of the product links in the description below. Let's dive right in and get started now. We're starting with the Athlon Optics Midas Binoculars. This is a pair recommended by Wirecutter that easily holds its own against ultra-premium brands. It packs extra-low dispersion glass and a dielectric multi-layer prism coating that reflects over 99% of light to your eyes. This means you're getting incredibly crisp, color-accurate views of birds even in low-light conditions. The magnesium chassis keeps them relatively light for a metal build, and the pop-on dangling objective covers are fantastic for protecting the glass. But they aren't completely flawless. At 25 ounces, some users report hand fatigue during extended standing sessions. You might also notice slight black borders in your field of view if your eye positioning isn't perfect, but adjusting the interpupillary distance and eye cups easily fixes this. Overall, if you want high-end optical performance that rivals binoculars costing triple the price, these are a beast and a very smart, reliable pick for birding enthusiasts who demand edge-to-edge clarity. They're extremely well built, feel great in the hands, and offer solid, dependable outdoor performance. Next up, we're looking at the Vortex Crossfire HD. These binoculars are optimized with select glass elements to deliver exceptional resolution, cut chromatic aberration, and provide outstanding color fidelity. The focus wheel has a really nice, heavy oil-like drag that feels precise and smooth when you're adjusting. We love the included glass pack chest harness, which secures the binos right on your torso for quick deployment while hiking. But they're definitely on the heavy side, which will key in a backpack. Some photographers have also noticed a bit of yellow and purple color fringing around high contrast edges. If you've got extra cash, the higher-end Diamondbacks offer slightly better edge-to-edge clarity and lower weight, but the Crossfires are still an incredible value. Backed by Vortex's legendary unconditional lifetime warranty, they're a rugged, dependable option for anyone who wants serious durability and great low-light performance without spending a fortune. They're a rare find, and likely the only pair you'll ever need for your adventures. You'll absolutely love looking through this beautiful and versatile set of glass.
If you want that famous Vortex quality on a budget, the Vortex Triumph HD is a fantastic entry-level option. It features a polycarbonate chassis wrapped in durable rubber armor, making it waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof. The HD optical system delivers edge-to-edge sharpness and light transmission that you'd expect from far more expensive glass, making it perfect for backyard bird watching or keeping in your go bag. On the downside, some users find the right eye diopter adjustment incredibly tight and hard to adjust. Others feel that 10 times magnification doesn't feel quite as powerful as high-end models, and the chest harness system can feel like too much hassle for quick, casual use. Still, they're lightweight, comfortable with glasses, and perform beautifully when attached to a tripod. For a budget-friendly pair that punches way above its weight class and comes with that same lifetime warranty, you really can't go wrong here. They represent a stellar value that easily handles regular use and delivers stunning quality for any enthusiast looking to explore the great outdoors without overcomplicating their setup.
For a complete, wallet-friendly kit, we have the Adasion High Powered Binoculars. They pack a powerful 12 times magnification and a 42mm objective lens into a lightweight design weighing just over 1 pound. Professional-grade Bay AK4 prisms and fully multi-coated lenses maximize light transmission, giving you bright, vivid views of wildlife, even at dawn or dusk. Plus, the twist-up eye cups provide comfortable viewing for both eyeglass and non-eyeglass wearers. However, the included phone adapter and mini tripod are definitely a mixed bag. Users find the attachments flimsy, noting that the tripod causes too much video shake and the phone mount is tough to align. The case is quite small and won't hold the tripod or adapter. If you ignore the smartphone accessories, the binoculars themselves are outstanding. They deliver crisp, clear images up to hundreds of yards away, making them a superb choice for beginners looking for great value. It's an unbeatable package if you just want solid, lightweight class that easily fits into your hiking routine and stands up to tough real-world weather conditions. Finally, we have the Occer Compact Binoculars. If you want something pocket-sized that you can throw in a backpack, cargo pocket, or golf cart, this is it. It features a 25mm objective lens, BAK4 prisms, and fully multi-coated lenses. What makes these special is the adjustable eye cups that twist in and out, a rare feature on compact binos that makes them incredibly comfortable for glasses wearers while keeping your eyelashes off the lenses. But don't expect miracles. While advertised as 12 times magnification, real-world use feels much closer to an 8 times zoom. The small size also means the viewing circumference is somewhat narrow, so you have to manipulate them precisely to get a full, clear image. That said, they feel solid rather than toy-like, and they're waterproof. They're perfect for casual trips, cruises, or kids, delivering surprisingly clean and crisp views for a highly affordable price that won't make you worry about dropping them in the wild. They're a brilliant, stress-free addition to any travel pack, offering great performance, amazing value, and simple adjustability. And that wraps up the top 5 best binoculars for birdwatching. We've left links to all these binoculars in the description below. If this video helped you choose your next pair of optics, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to HypeTech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gear recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy birding!